You might need to tip your mower to change the oil, sharpen a blade, or just clean under the deck. Today I'm going to clean under the deck of this mower, and I'll show you the steps to take to properly tip your mower without doing any damage. Let's get started. You can see we've got the carburetor right here. That's the air filter. And over here on the other side is the muffler. We're going to flip it to the muffler side, but the first thing that we want to do is get the piston to top dead center. And to do that, it'll also close the valves. You want to pull this until it gets hard, right there. So I'll pull through it and I'll show you again. See, it's real easy there, and it's hard there. That's top dead center on the piston. That'll bring the piston up to the top of the cylinder so you won't get that filled up with oil. And it'll also close the valves. So when you tip it, you won't be leaking oil on your driveway. Right there. Now we can flip it. And I can clean the underside of the deck. And I just wanted to show you, with the mower tipped like that, I'm not leaking any oil. Go to work. That'll make your lawnmower last longer, the deck from rotting out, which is a real common problem. End of the season, I drain the gas out of the fuel tank, start the engine, and run the fuel out of the carburetor until the engine stops. Then the beginning of next season, your engine will fire right back up. That's the biggest problem with engines, small engines, both 2 and 4 cycle. People leave old gas in over a storage period, and then the engine won't start. They have to take the carburetor apart and clean it out. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.